After you have found some sources of information, whether it be from the internet, a book, or an interview, it is very important that you evaluate the sources you have selected before deciding to use it in your research project. Evaluation is the necessary step to ensure that your information is credible. Credible information is the key to quality research and ultimately your grade. Exercising a bit of quality control can make a big difference. On the research process page, we have identified and consolidated some evaluation questions. Simply walk through each category and answer the questions that both apply to the type of source that you have, such as an article, a website, or a book, as well as the questions that really apply to any source regardless of what type. Once you have walked through these questions with your particular source in hand, it really is a subjective call as to whether or not your source is credible. The more boxes you can check, the better your source is looking in this evaluation of credibility. If you would like to check your work or would like clarification, do not hesitate to contact the library or schedule a one-on-one session using Book a Librarian.